This is a quick tutorial on how to change the look of your diagonal pocket. So I've shown you how to draft a very basic diagonal pocket before. Today I'm just going to show you how to draft a pocket which looks like this. So this is your skirt, and then it's got a scalloped edge. And in theory it's really easy, and I'm just gonna show you a little trick to make it even easier. And you can see I've pinned my pocket together, and you can see I've got that bit of ease. And after you've added the ease to your front and your bag, you just have to make double sure everything still matches. So the easiest thing is to add the same ease to your pocket bag as you've added to your front skirt. And that way you make sure the edge of a pocket stays the same. So you just do the same line and add the volume, and you get a lovely entry. And now we've done that, I'm going to show you a quick trick to get that scallop edge done even faster. And this is all done before seam allowance. If you've added seam allowance and you're changing the edge of the pocket, take the seam allowance off again or go back to your original pattern. I always leave my original drafting pattern without seam allowance, and I create a new making pattern with seam allowance, just so I got a step to go back. So what I need now is my bag and my skirt. And then all I do is I tape a piece of paper behind where I want to change the scallop edge. And I do the same to my pocket bag. Then I'm going to draw on my line. And then I decide what I want the scallop to look like. And with things like scallop, the more pronounced they are, the harder it is to sew. So ideally, you want something quite shallow, so it's easier. So I've got a tin of passata tomatoes, and to make things easier, I'm gonna do the line. So I want a 2 centimeter scallop, and I want it to repeat every 4 centimeters. And that's gonna help me make sure that all my scallops are exactly the same width. And then another way would be to fold your skirt and then just draw it on once. But that way I can just lay on my tin and draw it all the same way. And actually just by 4 centimeters, it's actually less than 2 centimeters anyway. So that's even better. And that way I'm sort of guaranteed an even scallop. There we go. So that's very low tech. And then all I need to do is I lay my pocket bag underneath. I then pin everything together so my original lines still match. Going to pin, oh yeah, I've pinned with pink paper. So you pin just your pieces of paper together. Make sure your notches and edges match. Once you've done that, double check that everything matches perfectly. It's always worth checking twice. Once you've done that, I can cut it out, and then I got my perfect scallop. Here you go. Perfect scalloped skirt pocket. So it's really fast to do. If you want to be even faster, you would draw on the seam allowance, where everything is pinned together, and then cut it out once with the seam allowance. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If there's anything else about pockets or pattern cutting you'd like to know, just drop me a little comment. Thank you very much for watching.